So I'm at Walmart right now, getting oil change, and figured I'd go on a little toy hunt while I'm here. I don't like shopping at Walmart, but I figured while I'm here, why the shell not? Let's see what they've got. I'm probably not going to buy anything, to be honest with you. All right. So, first thing that they have on this bottom row right here, some Toy Story. Whatever this Showdown Bandits is. Showdown Bandits, Robolux. They even have some Minecraft still, which is insane. Pikachu and these mini arcades that never go past 20 bucks. They're always 20 bucks, which is ridiculous to me. Let's see here. Woody. And then Fortnite. I'm not familiar with the game, so I couldn't tell you about it. Here's Kong and Godzilla, and then some little Godzillas, more little Godzillas, Mecha Godzilla, more Godzilla, and that's all the Godzillas. And then we have some wrestling figures. I don't know who any of these people are because I don't watch wrestling anymore. And some belts, some more of the belts, and some Jumanji, some DC, Joker, Man-Bat, Killer Croc, Batman. It's a 3-pack. There's the McFarlane. Let's see here. Green Lantern, Batman, Superman, and then beside that they have some of these Joker prank shops, which I think are pretty cool. On the bottom, they have more Joker prank shop stuff. Oh, crap. You weren't supposed to see that. So, I didn't pick up anything at Walmart, except for this can of dust. Let's see here. Electronic duster. This is from a PlayStation 3 controller, because it's all screwed up. So yeah, that's my Walmart hunt. Hope you all enjoyed this oil change. Bye. So, just got out of getting my oil changed at Walmart, and you want to see something funny? That's my last oil change that I had, the sticker, and that's the new sticker. So, apparently Walmart doesn't like taking off old stickers and putting new ones on. Yeah, fun stuff. So, yeah, that's been my haul today. I got a can of electronic duster and a oil change and a air filter. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. That's my haul. Alright, bye. So, I only thought that was the end of the video. I stopped by Target and got me a dynamic figure stand. So, yeah. A figure stand, which I need. And I'll show you in a second which figure I'm going to put on this. And then I'll show you me actually putting the figure on this. So, yeah. I didn't pick anything up at Walmart. Picked up this figure stand at Target. So there's my dynamic figure stand that I picked up from Target. And I even went went to Game Exchange, but they don't allow people to film in there, so I didn't get any footage of in there, and also didn't find any purchases in there either. So yeah. All right, so here's my Godzilla shelf. Here's the dynamic figure stand, and I'm gonna get it opened up. So give me just a sec. So I just got the display stand out. Here's my Godzilla shelf, and here's Mothra flying over. I still need to find a place for King Kong, but I like the way that this looks. That is awesome. Mothra is flying, and that's the way I'm going to leave my display shelf. Thanks for watching, guys. The Uber Hulk is out. Mothra! I want my Mothra! Like and subscribe. Bye.